All right, good morning everybody. Yeah, headed into the garage here. Just kind of give you an idea. Of course it's daylight, but with a lot of clouds outside, but I do get some light. But this is what I normally walk into before I had lighting. So I'd come over and take a look at this light strip up here, and I turn it on, and that was about all I had in this whole garage, how dark it is. Now I've gone ahead and installed some 8-foot LED lights, and in the overhead I got 8 per bay door. You got door 1, which is where the truck's at, bay 2 is where the Jeep's at, and then bay 3 is where the Willys wagon set up, or where I do all my work. So they're all Wi-Fi controlled. So we'll give it a try. I got Alexa up in the overhead. Alexa, turn on bay light 1. Alexa, turn on bay light 2. Alexa, turn on bay light 3. And there you go. Now we got lighting in here where I can actually do work at night, especially during the winter. So been pretty busy. I had to go rent a JLG with the telescoping basket and stuff in order to get these lights in the overhead. Had to run from the power panel that I had installed and ran all the wiring in the overhead all the way back across, and then the garage door opener didn't have any power supply, so now I've got a power supply up there that I ran across. So everything's all tied down, ready to go. And while I was up, I had these banners in here, Jeep and Ram banners that I've had for, shoot, I guess about 2 years, but I could never get up to the ceiling. So hey, while I had the man lift, I went ahead and I installed the new banners up here too. So again, it's all Wi-Fi controlled. Now I can get in here and clean all this garbage all up and really start doing some stuff. I got the stove, when it gets really cold, I got the stove all set up. It's all piped up in the overhead. Some people have seen the double barrels, but they've never seen this thing. And this, I don't know if you can actually see it, but it says Granny's Oven. And they used to cook in these things years ago. And what was funny was I found this at an auction. And I said, you know, I think I'm going to go ahead and buy that. And I only paid, I guess, maybe about 20 bucks for it. And it's antique as all get out. So I went ahead and I hooked it up to my whole barrel system, the stove system. And of course I got a little small refrigerator here in the shop, and I think I might throw some biscuits in there, and when it gets real cold I'll make a snack. So, but anyway, we got a lot of things accomplished in the shop getting this in, and putting some Wi-Fi switches in. I did have to buy another extender for outdoors from my original internet service for this thing to work real good, because it was really bad for internet. And Mr. Willys just hadn't had time to get in there and start doing some work. So eventually I'll end up getting it all done. But right now, still got the transmission still waiting to get rebuilt, and got my new got my heads in, and my intake manifold, so that's all here, and I got a few other boxes and what have you here. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. Just want to kind of give you a heads up on these LEDs. They're LED strip lights. They look like a regular fluorescent out of the box. I mean, it's not like a strip of tape or anything. They're actually a tube. And they came from, I ordered them from Amazon, and I don't know if I'm got the name right or not. Comes 6 to a box. Barrina or Barrera, or I don't know how you pronounce that. It's some kind of Chinese stuff, but for the price, it wasn't too bad. But I went ahead and I said I've got to splurge on this and get it done in here. Oh well, I guess I'll head on out. So I figured I got all my puppies in. I guess they want to go back in the house and get them a treat. So we'll go ahead and leave for now. I'll catch you guys later. Alexa, turn off bay light 1. Alexa, turn off bay light 3. All right, guys, later.